Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we're going to show you how to log into your Citi Bank account. First, open your preferred browser and go to the Citi Bank website. You can do this by typing citi.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you are on the home page, at the right hand side you will see a small box where you can enter your user ID and password. After typing in your user ID and password, make sure to enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. Now click on Sign In button to log into your Citi Bank account. If you have any trouble logging in, make sure to double check your user ID and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this Forget Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.